Welcome to 2319 Princess Anne Street, nestled on a beautiful 2-acre lot that offers the perfect balance of privacy and possibility. Fully renovated with a thoughtful addition completed in 2019, this home blends modern updates with timeless comfort. Surrounded by mature trees and open space, the property provides a peaceful setting with plenty of room to bring your vision to life. Whether that's creating a stunning outdoor retreat with a pool and spa, adding a tennis or pickleball court, or incorporating thoughtfully designed garden spaces. It's a rare opportunity to enjoy space, flexibility, and a serene backdrop all in one place.